In this question, we are told that the lines J and N are perpendicular to each other and asked to find the angle between them. The angle between any two perpendicular lines is 90 degrees. Next, we have to find the equation of the line N. To do this, we use the formula, and you also need to have the slope of the line and any point on it. To use this formula, you have to sub in a value for x1 and y1, and you sub in your slope in where n is. So label the coordinates x1 and y1, and only sub in for x1 and y1, don't sub in for x and y. And once you have that written in, that's your answer. In this question, we are first asked to find the slope of the line K and the line L. You can easily find the slope of any line once it's in the formula y equals mx plus c. The line K is already in this arrangement, so we can see that the slope of the line K is 1 because it's the number in front of the x. We need to change the order of the equation L so that the y is on one side and the x and the constant term are on the other side. So first off, bring your constant term over to the left hand side and your y, leave it on its own. Then divide both sides by 3 to get 1y on its own, and the equation becomes 2x minus 6 over 3. Singular your x term because that's your slope, so then the slope of the line L is 2 over 3. The next part of this question asks us to find the point of intersection between two lines. To do this, you use simultaneous equations. So first, rewrite your equations one under the other so that the y's are under the y's and the x's and constant terms are also lined up. The line L has a fraction in it, and so to get rid of the fraction, multiply both sides by 3. So now our final equation is 3y is equal to 2x minus 6. Next, rewrite your equations so that they're once again lined up. For this question, I'm going to line up my x terms, and so I need to multiply the first equation by minus 2. This means that my x terms will cancel out. I'm then left with 1y, or just y, is equal to minus 4. And you're not finished yet because you have to find the x and the y term. So simply sub in your y term to get an equation and solve for x. Lastly, you are asked to find the point of intersection, and so you need to write the x and y terms as a coordinate, which would be minus 3, minus 4, and that's your answer.